Y'all didn't think I was playing around when I created this triple M thing, did you? Oh, you thought I was just goofing about it. Well, I wasn't. Check it out. March Madness Marathon continues. See what's going on. In recognition of college tournament basketball in the United States of America. March Madness. We got some contractors back working, guys. Doing a little personal project so that we can get serious about this here March Madness Marathon. What y'all think, huh? Premium. Look in the description box for the link to the company called Dream Team out of Kuntep Mahana Kornamon Nakosin. That's where I bought this thing. Premium professional plexiglass backboard, premium hoop wall mount. I didn't need a floor mount because I got middle arches. I got the welders, guys. They're gonna mount that right up there. They're gonna put a big fence backdrop behind it so that the ball comes back at you over here and doesn't go in the yard. Y'all didn't think I was just fooling about, did you? I weren't. Man, they got a lot done for one day, guys. Drew big old lag bolts and them strong poles for the backboard, and then we wanted all this kind of separate us from the farm, and it's going to extend out over to here to this pillar right here, so it'll come on down, and that'll give you the ability to do hanging flowers up on the wire, right, which will, you know, create a little bit more of a barrier between us and the durian farm. But they got a lot done. It's all custom welded. I mean, way more than I expected to get, you know. I was just expecting some, you know, wired up stuff or whatever, but no, man, it's all welded. And then we can hang a bunch of plants over here, right? Because we got neighbors now, and that'll give us privacy, you know. That's tall. That's over 2 meter tall. So, you know, they'll put more of a backboard on this side once they put the goal and stuff up, so that the ball won't come flying through the yard. And man, what a good job, huh? Wow, that's a lot of custom cut. I mean, they custom cut all this tubing and stuff, drilled and welded. Damn, that'll be there forever, guys. And they're gonna paint it all black. Even the wire's gonna be all black, match the village. Okay, Nam Jin barbecue, moo rib, nua bua, beef. Okay, Mai?
Okay,ครับ
Do we gone? Hey, Q Mai? Snack, okay? I bring you some paper towels. Die. Chai, in cow. Thank you so much. Beer Chang and some energy. Okay, Mai? Okay, cop on. Some beer Chang and some energy drinks. Okay. Okay, Mai Pin Lai. Thank you. Wow. Getting her done, guys. Getting her done. Wow. So yeah, guys, this is the stock piece that come with the hoop and the backboard, right? So they've custom built their framing centered to fit the stock frame that came with the hoop and backboard. So I mean, you can't get any better than that. That thing gonna be there forever. Forever. Thank you very much. Beer chong, sabai, huh?